Welcome back to Mastering Kubernetes interview questions series. Today's question is explain Kubernetes architecture. The Kubernetes architecture is built around the master and worker concept. The master, which is also called control plane, contains certain components which takes care of cluster orchestration. Worker nodes are responsible for running applications inside the cluster. Now let's see the components inside control plane. Number one, Kubernetes API server. It exposes the API for interacting with the cluster. For example, we have kubectl command line utility. I want to deploy a pod. We run kubectl create command. By giving certain details, this information is sent to API server inside the Kubernetes cluster. Then API server receives that request and performs certain validations, and it works with other components inside the control plane to accomplish this task. The second component is etcd. It is a distributed key value store that stores the state of the cluster. Number three, control manager. It manages and executes various controls, for example, deployment, replications, etc. Fourth one, scheduler. Scheduler is responsible for assigning pods to worker nodes based on resource availability and constraints. These are the components of control plane. Now let's see the components of worker nodes. Number of worker nodes depends on number of applications, how much resources you need, and so on. On each worker node, we see kubelet. It is an agent that communicates with the control plane and manages pods on the node. It does things like downloading Docker images, creating containers, and in turn creating pods, then informing this with control plane and so many other stuff kubelet takes care of. Along with kubelet, on each node, we see a kube proxy. It is a network proxy that handles routing traffic to pods. It takes care of how the traffic has to be routed between pods on worker nodes. This is about Kubernetes architecture. Thank you.